Guys, I got a lot of limbs I gotta take away to the dump. Let's go. There it is, flying by itself, just standing there. So I loaded up this whole trailer full, and every Saturday this place is free to dump. I don't know if you guys can see my face, but they're closed for the season, and I want to show you guys this sign. So I'm not dumping here. So down there it just says closed for the season, road closed, and right there it says $1,000 fine or 1 year imprisonment. I don't want to pay a $1,000 fine. I'm not dumping here. So I gotta find a place, dude. This is the only place I know of, especially that's free. But I don't know any other place to dump. So that's a problem. And I just loaded up all of this stuff, dude. I don't know what to do. And it's windy, so like all the branches were flying. They didn't fly off, they were just getting moved around. Everybody else is dumping, but I've got a lot of stuff, and I'm not gonna get in trouble, and I'm not gonna go against, because I go here practically every Saturday, so I'm not gonna go against the rules, man. So all my cameras are out of storage on them, so this is gonna be the end of the video. Wish me luck. I hope I find a place to dump it, but I appreciate you guys watching. I guess I made a little bit of a video loading it. I just can't unload it anywhere, so I might have a trailer full of branches for a while, but hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. See you later.